Hello guys, welcome to my channel How to Learn. In this video, I want to explain about command design pattern. First of all, command design pattern is a behavioral pattern. Okay, here I want to explain two things mainly. What is command design pattern and want to use command design pattern. What is command design pattern? It says encapsulate a request under an object as a command and pass it to invoker object. Invoker object looks for the appropriate object and which can handle the command and pass the command to the corresponding objects, and the object executes the command. Okay guys, now I'll explain you a daily life example, then you can clearly get it. What is this command design pattern? Normally, right, we all have televisions in our home. Okay, normally what we will do, just we will take the remote and click on the TV on button and the TV will be on automatically. Right, now I will explain you this in a technical way. Assume user is a client and he is clicking on the remote button for oning the TV and for switch on the TV. What will be happen? Assume like he is sending a command to the remote button and assume the remote button is like an invoker. Okay, invoker. And what this remote button will do? It will send the appropriate request to an object which can handle the functionality specifically or perfectly. And assume like normally we will click on the TV remote button and it will send an internal command to the remote to switch on the TV, and assume like this is the specific objects for turning on the TV and it will do its functionality and the TV will be on automatically. Okay, means the user is sending a request to the invoker which is a remote button and he will look for the specific object who can perform this function perfectly and he will send the request to him and now he will do his function and the television will be automatically on. Okay, I think so you guys got it. If you have queries, please comment it in comment section about this, and let's go to next slide. Okay, when to use this command design pattern? You need a command to have a lifespan independent of the original request, or if you want to queue specific and execute request at different times, and you need to redo and undo operations. Okay, and let's go to implementation. Guys, now I want to start my implementation, and first of all I want to create a new Java project and I want to name it as command. Okay, and let's click on finish here. Now my project is generated. As you can observe it, first of all I want to create an interface, guys. Okay, and my interface name is nothing but command. Here I want a method. I want to create an abstract method which its name is execute, public void execute. Okay, and now I want to create a class which is nothing but light. Okay, and here what I want to do, I want to create two methods, public void switch on and public void switch off. Okay, and let's copy it and paste it here and just modify it. Okay, it's done. System.println. Here I want to print a message. Okay, lights on, and here I want to just copy it and paste it here. Here also I want to print a message, but it is not lights on, light off. Okay, and now what I want to do means I want to create a class which is nothing but lights on. Okay, and here what I want means it should be like I can say like it should implement a interface which is nothing but command, which I have already created, right? Okay, if you observe here, it is implementing here and I want to add the unimplemented methods from there. Okay, and guys, I want to just give a overview what is happening here. And what I'm saying, like assume like I have a remote control sensor based light in my house. Okay, when user will switch on, I can say like when user clicks on the remote, it will goes to the invoker. Okay, and invoker handovers the functionality to a class or interface which it can handle the existing functionality whether it is on or off, and and that light on class or off class will do its functionality, which is on in the light or off in the light. Okay, I think so you guys got it. And I want to create another class here which is lights off. The interface is command again. Okay, let's click on OK and finish. Here also I want to add an implementer methods. Okay, here I want to create a reference for light, and based on that I want to generate a constructor for it. Guys, if you don't understand, don't worry guys, after implementation I will explain you the whole flow once again. Okay, and here also I want to do the same. Again I want to create a reference for light and generate constructor for it. Source constructor using fields and generate. Okay, up to now it's done. And here what I want to do means based on the reference I want to call the switch on method or switch off method. Okay, here I'm calling the switch on method, and here I will call switch off method, right? Dot switch off method. Okay, it's done up to now. And now I want to create another class which is nothing but remote control. Okay, and what I want to do means I want to create a reference here for command. Okay, and I want to generate setters for it. Source, getter setters and select setters, generate. It's done up to now guys. And you have another thing left. It is just creating a method, public void press button. And here what I want to do means I can say like wait, I will show you. Here from here I want to call a method which is nothing but execute. Okay, and guys, now my everything is done, just testing is the balance thing. Okay, for that I want to create a class. Okay, new class client. As I said testing, I want to just create a main method for it. First of all I want to create a reference for remote control. Remote control equal to new remote equal to new remote control. Okay, and here I want to create a reference for light guys. Light equal to new light. Okay, and here I want to create a reference for command equal to new lights. Okay, let's check it. Light, yeah, lights on. Here I want to pass the reference as a light in that means just I'm passing the light reference to a constructor in the lights on class. Okay, and here what I want to do, I want to set command in my remote control. Okay, as my command is lights on, it is nothing but lights on. Okay, now I want to press button. Okay, and let's execute this guys. Let's check what is the output. Okay, the output is lights on. Now I will explain the flow. What is happening means assume like this is me. Okay, me means I'm a client. Whenever I'm clicking on remote button for switch on a light, and another thing is my assume like my light is a sensor based, or sorry guys, my light is a remote control based one. Okay, assume like that when I switch on button in my remote, the light will be switched on, and when I switch off the light button, I can say like off button in my remote, then my light will be switched off. Like that my light will be. Okay, that is my requirement. And while I am clicking on the remote button on, what is happening means I am sending a command to my remote, right? Then my remote will, I can say like assign the specific request to the some specific class which can do the required functionality. Okay, as I said, I want to on my light. When I click on my on button in my remote, on my remote, what it will do, it will hand over the command to the lights on class. Okay, now it will execute the program, or I can select it will execute the functionality. Okay, and here now I will explain what I am doing it here. First of all, I am creating a reference for control, remote control, and again I am creating a reference for light class. Okay, now I am creating a reference for command interface, and here what I am doing here, I am passing light reference into a light song class. It means I am passing the reference into the constructor of light song class. Okay, then I am setting this command in my control. Okay, this command in my control. Okay, I have setting it here in my command into my control. Then what is happening, while I am clicking on the press button, the command will be executed. Sorry guys, it's here. When I click on the press button, or when I call this press button, then command will be executed. Like this, the flow is going on. I think so you guys got it. If you have any queries, please comment it in comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.